In my last video, I talked about the only faceless YouTube channel that can never get demonetized on YouTube. But the problem is that what if already the channel you own has already been demonetized? And not just being demonetized, it's been demonetized because of inauthentic content. Trust me, you are in a very big problem. Assuming it was just reused content, then you're on the safer side because you can easily appeal and get your channel reinstated into the YouTube partner program and get monetized again. But if it is because of inauthentic content, trust me, you're in a very long term. So that's why in this video, simply I'll be showing you how to fix inauthentic content in that YouTube channel and get your channel remonetized again. Like I normally do, is an unscripted video, so I'm just talking based on experience and from my heart. So that's the more reason you should watch this video from the beginning to the end. So let me not make this mistake that I normally make recently, simply by introducing myself. So let me just do that. My name is Chibuzo Agua, and of course you're welcome to this YouTube channel, Inauthentic YouTube channel. It's a technology related channel. Of course I teach tutorials and how-tos, of course, to make things easier for you. So if you want to be part of this channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button, also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next video. And if you've done that, I'm giving you a beer hug, and of course you're welcome to this channel. You are now family, and we can discuss even in the comment section and off YouTube as well. So now let's get straight down to business, how to fix inauthentic content on YouTube channel. It pisses me off because I still see people out there on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and whatsoever putting up tutorials on how to start YouTube automation simply because they want to sell their course, but they will not dive deep in telling their students that yes, YouTube is on a demonetizing spree. They are demonetizing channels that are basically AI or being created from AI. Now let me explain first of all what is inauthentic content. Let me give you a brief story. What I did is that I pick up a channel of mine that got demonetized, and in that video, of course, I explained that because of inauthentic content. No, not that very channel. It's one channel that I'm creating. Yes, it's not yet monetized, but in order not to fall victim of being rejected when I'm applying for YouTube partner program, or maybe getting demonetized even after eventually I get monetized, I pick up the URL of that channel and strictly I went straight to Gemini, Google Gemini. Of course, it's rumored that Gemini is the AI bot that is being monitoring YouTube channel and is in charge of demonetizing. And let me not just go there because, like I said, it's been alleged, let me put it that way. So now pick up that URL of that channel that I'm growing at the moment that I just started. I pick it up and I put it straight to Gemini, and I tell Gemini to analyze this YouTube channel for me. Of course, it analyzed it. Yes, then I now ask, what's the probability of this channel getting monetized or being accepted into the YouTube partner program? And the reports or the result that Gemini gave to me, of course, is kind of tricky. It says yes, the channel is on track, it's creating content, but it now says bots. All the automation, all the process of creating videos in that channel, that it discovers that they are being automated, from the script to the images. That's images because I do use AI tools to create image to videos and the likes. And of course, the voiceover is not my voice there. I use all this text to speech tools that you find out, like in creating the voices such as 11 Labs, Speechma and the rest. So it detected it, and it states yes that high percentage of the video production in the YouTube channel is being automated. So remember I said yes, it can be monetized, but it stands a great risk of being assessed. Then I paused, and immediately I got that report from Gemini. I stopped uploading AI videos on that channel. Like I said, it's not yet been monetized, it's in the process. Now, what is inauthentic content that people don't know? I have people coming up on various social media platforms and of course ranting that YouTube is demonetizing them simply because there's that, giving all sorts of excuses because they say they created a video on their own, they write the script on their own, not knowing yes, the script is being generated by either ChatGPT, Cloud and the rest, that generated their script, that they suffered in creating the videos. They did their voiceovers, general voiceover, and created their videos using video editing tools, and at the end YouTube demonetized them because of inauthentic content. That who else have that content? That's their rant that they've been ranting on video social media profile. But hell, what YouTube described as inauthentic content that most people don't know is because it's simply a content that is being produced, or a video that is being produced without little or no human effort. You say you edited the video. Yes, who cares why you edited the video, but from the beginning to the end, they didn't see anything related to human. That's why in that last video of mine, I told you guys to just stop creating videos using AI. And if you hit to that instruction, trust me, you're on the right path. Like I said, for now, let's see what happens. Let's see if there will be, how will I put it, an update to the YouTube algorithm and everything will go back to normal. Then AI videos will start getting accepted. You might suffer creating AI videos, but at the end, once you want to apply for the YouTube partner program, you'll be rejected. So save yourself that stress. Stop creating wholeheartedly AI videos. If you want to create videos, of course, you can use your voice in generating voiceover, so be on the safer side, or maybe put an image of yours in that video at the corner. Just put in human effort. They want to see human. They don't want to see 100% AI. That is what they tag inauthentic content. Yes, if you are being flagged or demonetized because of reused content, like I said, you're on the safer side. You can easily appeal and get accepted. Now, if you've been demonetized as a result of inauthentic content, just like this image shows, and of course you see two options. The first option, it says appeal if you think we made a mistake. Remember and take note, mark this down. If your channel, your YouTube channel, is being demonetized because of inauthentic content, not reused content, don't ever go for the first option, which is appealing. Let's say appeal if you think we made a mistake. Trust me, if you should use that method and appeal, if you have been flagged for inauthentic content, you will be permanently removed from the YouTube partner program, and that channel of yours can never be accepted. Remember, in this video, like I told you, I'm telling you how to fix the inauthentic content issue and get remonetized or get accepted into the YouTube partner program. So the first option said appeal if you think we made a mistake. Many people, because maybe they've made previously they've made lots of money in their AdSense account, their YouTube AdSense account, and they want to get paid in that month, so they'll choose that first option, reapplying, and see if it's a word. Boom, in less than few hours you will get a reply mail which is already automated that no, you are not accepted, and that is the end. Trust me, that channel of yours is gone. Even if you have up to 1 million subscribers in that channel, trust me, it is gone, and gone for good. So don't ever, like I told you, note, don't you ever use the first option. Now if you go down, the second option is always there. It said edit your channel, of course, and reapply, and they'll give a stipulated dates by which you can reapply, which is the period of 90 days. Trust me, use that second option. And if you using that second option, what will you do? It says edit your channel. Now editing your channel simply means you going back to your YouTube channel and source out that videos that you know that they are not yours, or do you think that is purely generated via AI. And inauthentic content also falls in this part, in the sense that most of the videos in your YouTube channel, many people have used the video in that same format, maybe in that same voice, or maybe there are certain music that is being played in your copyrighted music that is being played in any video in that channel. Now what you will do if you are using the second option to get your channel fixed, simply go back to your channel, swipe off all those videos. Yes, even if they're 100, take your time and delete every single videos. I deleted up to how many videos? I've forgotten. It's more than 200 videos I deleted on that YouTube channel. I make sure I go to my YouTube studio, I checked every video bit by bit, and I deleted every single video. Every video I feel that yes, people have used the same video, because of course they are clips I collected from other social media platform, I deleted them. And once you're doing this, remember, like I said, I want to fix the inauthentic content issue in that YouTube channel and get remonetized. So you're using the second option, you have to edit your channel, delete every single video. Yes, it's quite painful. If they're up to 500, trust me, delete them. Now note, once you're deleting that videos, within 24 hours, you discover that yes, the stats in that YouTube channel, if you go to the analytics, it will refresh to the current state. Note, as you're deleting a video, if that video have attracted 1 million views, is being deleted or deducted from your YouTube analytics statistics. That is quite painful, but yes, that's the stress you have to go through because you want to fix your YouTube channel and get it working again. So delete every single videos Even if it's all the videos, swipe off the video totally. Why? Because you're deleting the videos, but your subscribers are still there. Yes, maybe people will say that yes, I want to abandon the YouTube channel and start all over again. No, what if you've had up to 50,000 subscribers on that YouTube channel? Would you prefer starting afresh from 0 subscribers again on a fresh YouTube channel? And what guarantee do you have that you actually reach the monetization threshold within a short period of time? And even if you still use your AI images and videos, you get demonetized. So don't let that channel to don't let it go. Yes, you want to fix that inauthentic issue. Delete every single video. If you think every video is not made by you, delete every single video. Maintain your subscriber. Now start recreating and uploading videos again. Remember, you have a time frame of 3 months, 90 days to reapply. That's using the second option, edit, reapply, and get accepted again into the YouTube partner program. So you can simply do that, though it will take time, but it might not take time. If you know what you're doing within a short period of a month, that's within 90 days, you can easily, if you're using YouTube Shorts, you can easily get up to 10 million views. And of course, your subscribers are still there already because you've met the first criteria. Reach up to 10 million views and reapply. And trust me, within short period of time, you get an acceptance email that you have been reaccepted into that YouTube partner program. So if you find this video useful, of course, you can share. And if you're still confused in any part, you can go to the comment section and ask your question. Like I said, it's an unscripted video. I've not hit pause since I hit play on this video and recorded this video, and of course you attest to that. So like I said from the start, if not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Watch other videos of mine. It's not basically YouTube tutorials already, but they are all dedicated to technology. Go there, watch other tutorials, and get that channel of yours that have been hit with inauthentic content, get it remonetized once again, and let it get started. Like I said, if you're confused, ask a question in the comment section below. So go to our playlist, watch other videos. We'll see you on the next one, because we've come to the end of this video for now. Bye bye for now, and I wish you good luck in your quest to get your YouTube channel remonetized again. We'll see you on the next one.